For over 61 years, Habib Girls School has been empowering girls like me, building confidence, curiosity, and courage. We are a non-profit organization founded by the Habib family, created with one simple purpose: education for empowerment. We are affiliated with the Aga Khan University Examination Board, AKUEB. That means that we are not just tested on knowledge, but the skills that we have acquired as well. Assalamu alaikum. My name is 𝗔𝗱𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 and I am a student of Habib Girls Higher Secondary. When I became a part of HGS, I realized that I have stepped into a space that shapes confident, capable, and curious individuals. At HGS, the learning experience goes way beyond textbooks. We learn through guidance, innovation, and mentorship. And honestly, that is what makes it different. Our classrooms? Totally next level. Powered with integrated technology, designed to be student-centric and built as dedicated subject-based spaces. It's interactive, creative, and yes, learning here is actually fun. Habib Girls School is known for its exceptional academic results and amazing university placements. Our girls consistently outperform, securing admissions in top national and international universities. But here's the thing, at HGS, it's never just about grades. At higher secondary, personal development and career counseling plays a major role in our journey. No matter what career path you choose, whether it is becoming a doctor, an engineer, a fashion designer, or even an entrepreneur, HGS prepares you with confidence and clarity. But learning doesn't stop here, not even close. Our hands-on programs like Paragon and Habib Gadgetry, plus events like 𝗔𝗱𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 small projects, digital marketing, mobile app development, graphic designing, and field trips make learning super fun and full of energy. Our internship programs help us to discover our real strength. Because here, it's not just about being good at something, it's about becoming someone. We are learning skills that truly matter in today's world and at the same time provide us with opportunities to earn as well. From global competitions to real change, that's the real impact of our programs, inspiring students like Rumesa's team turn plastic waste into eco-bricks for our HGS garden, built with WWF Pakistan. Because once a Habibian, always a Habibian. Sports plays a huge part in our school spirit. With dedicated playgrounds, multi-purpose sports fields, we build resilience, strength, and teamwork every single day. From inter-house matches to inter-school tournaments, we don't just play to win. We play to grow, lead, and learn skills that last a lifetime. At higher secondary, our day begins with yoga and meditation, a mindful start that keeps us balanced and focused. That's why we have professional wellness counselors, both internal mentors and external experts, who are always there to guide and support us. You know what makes HGS special? It's the campus. Like seriously, it is designed to inspire you every single day. Our physics, chemistry, and biology lab make every concept feel real. It's not just theory, it's hands-on learning. The Fine Arts Lab is my personal favorite, full of colors, ideas, and self-expression. Our grand auditorium hosts school-wide event and transforms into a space for grand tech-integrated classes. The student lounge. That is where we brainstorm, laugh, and basically live the best part of school life. We have a fully equipped fitness center, and our backshed area and front ground are always buzzing with sports and activity. It's where energy and teamwork come alive. And yes, the cafeteria. It's not just about snacks. It's about good food, good vibes, and that extra boost to keep us going through the day. Higher secondary isn't just about classes or exams. It's about friendships, challenges, victories, and the moments that become lifetime memories. Every day feels alive, full of joy, and learning with purpose. At Habib Girls School, I didn't just study. I discovered who I am. Here, your daughter isn't just a student. She grows into a capable, confident young woman ready to take on tomorrow. So if you're ready to invest in a future that truly matters, join us.